BGC condo for only 18,000 pesos or $315 per month. Plus, no spot down payment, 6 years to pay with 800,000 annual lump sum. This is Uptown Modern, ready by 2031 and located in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC Taguig. This is a 40 square meter studio unit, semi-furnished, complete with kitchen appliances, which are all European brands. We also deliver the unit with complete toilet and bath sanitary fittings and very spacious living and dining area. This unit is already equipped with floor-to-ceiling glass windows, inverter aircons, smart home system, digital lock set, and 100% backup power supply. Uptown Modern is near everything that you need. Walking distance to Uptown Mall, Landers Grocery, St. Luke's BGC, Bonifacio High Street, and accessible to C5 and EDSA. Plus, 20 to 30 minutes away from NAIA. Again, this is Uptown Modern. Ready by 2031, no spot down payment terms for 6 years. Price starts at 17 million pesos. So, inquire now.